So here's Adobe Premiere Pro. I want to export the video and store it in a different location, let's say that drive. Click on save and I get this error message: a required privilege is not held by the clients. So it does not let me export the file to that D drive. So to fix this problem, go to the start menu, type in SECPOL, is this one, local security policy. The home version of Windows 10 does not contain this. So click on local security policy, local policies, double click on it, security options, and here on the right side go down to user account control, run all administrators in admin approval mode. Double click on that one and set it to disabled. So run all administrators in admin approval mode, that has to be disabled. Click OK, close it. You have to restart your computer, so I have to close Premiere Pro also. Save the changes and restart Windows. After Windows restarted, start Premiere Pro again. Now go to File, Export. Click on the timeline itself. File, Export Media. At location, select the same D drive. Save. And now I don't have that error message anymore. And location remained the D drive which was selected. And now I can click on export. The video is being exported to the D drive.